Hello everyone, good day for you. Hope you're doing very well. So today we're gonna prepare this shrimps and steak pan-sear mixed plate. This is a very nice, easy dinner. So first of all, I got here an entrecote. I'm gonna just add a little bit of oil so that the salt and the pepper stick on it. Yeah, just slightly bit of salt and pepper. So we're gonna our chopped potatoes to the air fryer. To the shrimps, we're gonna add the same olive oil, salt, pepper, and some garlic. I'm using garlic powder. You can use fresh one if you want to. You can add also a bit of parsley. I did not because I didn't have any. That's why I didn't add any parsley. But you can do it at home. Yep. So we're gonna use a regular pan. We're gonna add some butter and oil just to sear all our meat, our shrimps, and the veggies. The idea is to leave the veggies crunch, the meat well medium or medium rare. It's up to you, and the shrimps they are just a few minutes like the steak. Yeah. Well, we place our entrecote. We add our shrimps. And we got some veggies. You can use the ones you like. I am using onion, spring onion, and red bell pepper. Yeah. So now we're just gonna turn our steak for the other side. Will be around 1 minute left. It depends on how thick your steak is. This one was around maybe 2 centimeters. So now we are just done. We're just remove it, chop it. We're gonna mix our veggies, bring our potatoes to the pan, and we're gonna add a little bit of salt or pepper if you want to. Remember that the potatoes, they had no salt while cooking, so that's why will add a little bit of salt. And we are just there. I just let the steak 1 minute to cool down. Now we're gonna cut it, slice it into the pieces, small pieces, and bring it back to the pan. Mix it, little bit of salt, bit of pepper, and we are just there. So we just put back our meat to the pan, add a little bit of pepper, salt if you want to. Just mix it all together and we are just done. I just lower the heat to the minimum. It's just you can see here the stove is up 3 or 2, whatever, just to keep it a little bit warm while I was cutting the meat. Look, the meat is medium rare. Everything looks nice. Look, very nice. So I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and that thumb up. So have a nice journey and I hope you like it. Take care everyone. Cheers.